Hello students, welcome to BTech 360. The MHCT examination was just conducted and the results were announced also. And a lot of students reach out to us to understand at the rank that they're likely to get, what is the kind of branch and college that they would be getting based on last year's data. And what we're compiling here is from 1 to 30,000 in three batches of 1 to 10,000, 10 to 20,000 and 20,000 to 30,000, the ranks and what are the branches and college combinations that you can get between these rank ranges. And before I start further, three requests that I always have for you. One, please do subscribe to BTech 360. Two, if you want me to cover any other college or any other issue that you have, please write to me in the message box. We'll try to pick it up. For this particular series, we partnered with University of Bristol, which is actually setting up a campus in Mumbai. The University of Bristol was established in 1876 in UK, London. And after that, they now are setting up a campus in Mumbai, which is approved by UGC, which is Universities Grants Commission, and the Government of India. They're giving a degree which is UGC approved in India, while this degree is also globally reputable because wherever you go in the world, this becomes a degree that it's very, very valid. So they're setting up a campus in Mumbai, and we partnered with them to ensure that the students take the right information, right decision based on data and information. And thank you so much, University of Bristol, for partnering with us in this endeavor. Now about MHCT, and we talked of 1 to 30,000. And besides that, one of the things that we are also doing is we are also creating an online webinar once the results are announced. Once the results are announced, then you will have the score and rank in your hand. Please do and register for the webinar. The link is in the comment section. The first comment is the link that you have, where you can register for the webinar and you can ask questions personally to any of our counselors. The idea for us, the objective for us is to ensure that you get into the best college possible based on your score and rank. And for that, we'll do everything possible. Please do register for the webinar. And people who are registering here are also getting a lot of free perks in terms of a lot of colleges are now willing to give it to our students, free application processes and all. You can also avail those services also if you have to register for the webinar. Now, the thing about MHCT. The MHCT, this year, the number of students who've taken the test is about 7.65 lakh students rather registered for the examination, and 7.05 lakh students actually took the examination. But the important thing for you, for students who are looking for BTech, is this 4.22 lakh students who are PCM students. Appeared candidates PCM, because others are PCB and all, because the 7.05 lakh is engineering, pharma, agriculture and planning. Whereas we are only considered PCM, which is engineering, that's 4.22 lakh. So essentially what is happening is, for the engineering seats, we are dealing with a 4.22 lakh students who is the competition for us. And these 4.22 lakh students will compete for all the seats that are being given out based on the MHCT score in the state of Maharashtra. For example, the Allied Sciences is 2.82 lakh students is what the Life and Allied Sciences is all about. 4.22 is what we're working on at this point. So as you all know, we have already covered the 1 to 10,000 rank bracket, 10,000 to 20,000 rank bracket. We also covered all the top 30 colleges for CSE and allied CSE branches that you have, where we covered about 85 choices, college and branch choices, because many of those colleges within CSE will give AI, data science, machine learning, IoT, blockchain and everything. So we covered those things also only for the CSE and allied branches. EEE and ECE and allied branches also we covered. We covered only for mechanical. We covered rank brackets of 1 to 10,000, 10 to 20,000 also. Now what we'll do is to cover the 20,000 to 30,000 rank bracket. And let me take you through, as I told you earlier, the data sets that we have is for the MHCT 2025, the cutoff that happened last year for the college and the branch choice that you have. That is one choice. So when you actually have a college and a branch, that becomes one choice in the counseling rounds also, which is what we're trying to explain here of how many choices that you have. If you have to actually have a rank band of 20,000 to 30,000 is what we'll cover here. And we're talking of 20,000, and we are only talking of open rank, mind you. We are only talking of the open rank. Though we have the data of OBC, SC, SCBC and ST also, we have all the data. So we'll pick up the college name, the branch choice, and what is the highest closing rank in the open category that happened in 2025. Again, let me repeat, there will be some kind of an addition that will happen at the branch level, at the college level. So to that extent, what is 20,000 this year might become 21,000 next year, because there are some good branches and good colleges that are opening new branches also. That is likely to happen. But last year it was 20,076 is what we're talking about. Right. Now, at the rank band of 20,000 and above, Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, Mumbai, BCSE with Cybersecurity at 20,076, Government College of Engineering, Karad, BTech Civil Engineering at 20,578, OBC is 25,269, SC is 53,777, SCBC is 23,615, and 1,08,990 for ST. SIS Graduate College School of Technology, Navi Mumbai, BTech IT at 20,724. KK Wagh Institute of Engineering and Education and Research, Nashik, B AI and Data Science at 20,899. MIT Academy of Engineering, Pune, BTech Electronic and Telecommunications at 21,051. Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji Institute of Engineering and Technology, Vishnupuri, BTech Electronics and Telecommunications at 21,199. D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Pune, BE Mechanical at 21,247. And you also have the rank band for the category. Please note down if you wish to, or take a screenshot of this, right? Then moving further, AISSMS College of Engineering, Pune, BE Robotics and Automation. This is a very good program. Please take it because in the new age space, these new technologies that are coming in, especially robotics and all. So if you learn robotics, you have a better future moving ahead. Open category is 21,500, OBC is 27,499, SC is 43,280, SCBC is 25,224, and ST is 2,03,303. Then Vidyalankar Institute of Technology, Mumbai, BE Electronics and Telecommunications at 21,518, OBC is 27,660, SC is 36,303. Bharati Vidyapit College of Engineering, Navi Mumbai, BE Computer Engineering at 21,646, and OBC is 28,944. PE Society's Modern College of Engineering, Pune, BTech Electronics and Computer Engineering at 21,689. Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon, BTech CE is 21,863. Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, Mumbai, BE Electronics and Computer Sciences 21,919. SIS Graduate School of Technology, Navi Mumbai 22,0264. BE Internet of Things and Cyber Security. Then you have Modern Education Societies, Wadia College of Engineering, Pune, BE Computer Engineering at 22,108. Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, Mumbai, BTech Internet of Things is 22,149. Government College of Engineering and Research, Pune, BTech Computer Science Engineering is 22,217. PVJS College of Engineering and Technology for BE Electrical is 22,306. Lakshminarayan Innovation Technology University, Nagpur, BTech Petrochemical Technology is 22,355. Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, Mumbai, BE Mechanical at 22,402. And Marathwada Mitra Mandal's College of Engineering, Pune, for BE Electronics and Telecommunications at 22,454. The same thing for OBC was 23,629, SC was 51,643, SCBC is 23,241, and ST was 1,89,160. Moving further, Sinhagar College of Engineering, Pune, for BE Computer Science Engineering is 22,464. Don Bosco Institute of Technology, Mumbai, BE Information Technology at 22,792. Shah and Anchor Kachi Engineering College, Mumbai, BTech AI and Data Science at 22,878. St. Francis Institute of Technology, Mumbai, BE Information Technology at 22,917. KE Societies, Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology, Sangli, BTech C Computer Engineering at 23,003. KJ Somai Institute of Engineering and Information Technology, Mumbai, BTech Electronics and Telecommunications at 23,017. Jaswantrao Chauhan College of Engineering, Nagpur, BE Data Science with AI is 23,183. And you also have the category ranks, you can please note it down if you want. Then Xavier Institute of Engineering, Mumbai, for BE Computer Engineering at 23,216. AISSMS College of Engineering, Pune, BE VLSI Design and Technology at 23,242. Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology, Pune, BE Automation and Robotics at 23,423. Yashwantrao Chauhan College of Engineering, Nagpur, BE Information Technology at 23,451. PE Society's Modern College of Engineering, Pune, BTech Electronics and Telecommunications at 23,577. PBG's College of Engineering and Technology for BE Mechanical is 23,786. For the C. Rodriguez Institute of Technology, Navi Mumbai, BE Mechanical at 23,831. KK Wagh Institute of Engineering and Education and Research, Nashik, BE Computer Science and Design at 23,881. OBC was 24,363. SC is 55,472. SCBC is 27,775 and ST is 1,01,241. Then you have Shah and Anchor Kachi Engineering College, Mumbai, BE Tech Computer Science Engineering at 23,972. Pillai College of Engineering, Navi Panvel, New Panvel, BTech Computer Engineering at 24,210. Government College of Engineering, Nagpur, BE Electronics and Telecommunications at 24,502. MCT's Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology, Mumbai, BE Computer Engineering at 24,592. And for OBC it was 25,813. SC is 36,836, 38,810 for SCBC and 1,52,501 for ST. Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, Mumbai, BE Electronics and Telecommunications at 24,602. Rajarshi Shahu College of Engineering, Katawade, BTech Automation and Robotics, very good program again, 24,652. Then Sinhagar College of Engineering, Pune, BTech Information Technology at 24,760. Todamal Shahane Engineering College, Mumbai, BE Chemical Engineering at 25,222. Yashwantrao Chauhan College of Engineering, Nagpur, BE Computer Technology at 25,262. Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad, BE Electrical at 25,528. Thakur Shama Narayan Engineering College, Mumbai, BTech Computer Engineering at 25,882. Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad, BE Mechanical at 26,029. KIT's College of Engineering, Pune, Kolhapur. BTech Computer Science and Business Systems is 26606. Then you have Jayawantrao Sawan College of Engineering, Pune, BE Computer Engineering at 26613. OBC is 28453, SC is 61369, SCBC is 27875, ST is 177420. GS Raisoni College of Engineering and Management, Pune, BTech Computer Engineering at 26634. Nutan Maharashtra Institute of Engineering and Technology, Pune, BE Computer Engineering at 26740. OBC is 28945, SC is 62630, 30454 SCBC and 191,566 for ST. KE Societies Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology, Sangli, BTech Computer Science and Information Technology, 26,800. Srimati Kashibhai Nawale College of Engineering, Vadgaon, BE Computer Engineering at 27,029. Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji Institute of Engineering and Technology, Vishnupuri, BTech Electrical is 27,193. Atharva College of Engineering, Malad, BTech Computer Engineering at 27,259. KIT's College of Engineering, Kolhapur, BE Electronics and Telecommunications is 27,338. Bharati Vidyapeeth's College of Engineering, Lavale, BE Computer Engineering at 27,385. Jaswantrao Chavan College of Engineering, Nagpur, BTech CSE Computer Science and Engineering with Internet of Things is 27,538. AISSMS College of Engineering, Pune, BE Mechanical is 27,591. Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon, BTech Information Technology is 27,614. KK Wagh Institute of Engineering and Education and Research, Nashik, BE Electronics and Telecommunication is 27,669. Ajinkya D.Y. Patel School of Engineering, Pune, BE Computer Engineering is 27,689. Right. Moving further, Institute of Chemical ICT Mumbai, BTech in Chemical Engineering, open category is 27,914, OBC is 36,944, SC is 70,247, SCBC is 39,101, ST is 74,622. Sri Sant Gajanan Maharaj College of Engineering, Shagaon, BE Information Technology is 27,980, OBC is 28,034, SC is 56,064, SCBC is 68,101, and ST is 164,883. Right. AISSMS College of Engineering, Pune, BE Electrical Engineering, 28,037. Government College of Engineering, Amravati, BTech Electrical at 28,037. OBC is 29,365. Yashwantrao Chavan College of Engineering, Nagpur, BE Computer Science and Design is 28,189. OBC is 30,032 and 39,778 for SC. Xavier Institute of Engineering, Mumbai, BE Information Technology is 28,190. Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur, BTech Computer Science Engineering is 28,285. KE Societies Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology, Sangli, BTech CSE with AI and Machine Learning is 28,388. OBC is 31,234. SC is 63,259. SCBC is 28,759 and ST is 29,415. Father C. Rodriguez Institute of Technology, Navi Mumbai, BE Electrical Engineering is 28,772. GS Raisoni College of Engineering and Management, Pune, BTech AI and Machine Learning is 28,827. Pillai College of Engineering, New Panvel, BTech IT is 28,999. SIS Graduate School of Technology, Navi Mumbai, BTech ECE is 29,139. Government College of Engineering and Research, Pune, BTech Electronics and Telecommunications is 29,251. And Sri Sant Gajanan Maharaj College of Engineering, Shagaon, BCSE is 29,437. D.Y. Patel College of Engineering, B Instrumentation Engineering is 29,468, OBC is 31,767, SC is 65,204, SCBC is 35,082, and ST is 1,50,970. Xavier Institute of Engineering at Mumbai, B CSC with Internet of Things, Cybersecurity and Blockchain Technology is 29,541. Modern Education Society is Wadia College of Engineering, Pune, B Electronics and Telecommunications is 29,687. Shah and Anchors Kachi Engineering College, Mumbai, B Information Technology is 29,821. Nutan Maharashtra Institute of Engineering and Technology, Pune, B CSE is 29,864. And Amruta Vahini College of Engineering, Ahmednagar, B Computer Engineering is 30,172. Now this is the rank bracket of 20,000 to 30,000. We'll be covering beyond 30,000 also. We already covered, as I told you, only for the branch top 30 colleges for CSE and allied branches. About 85 of those combinations came in. Then we covered mechanical also, another 35-40 combinations came in. Top 30 colleges offering mechanical, robotics, automation, and all, mechatronics and everything like that. We covered EEE and ECE and everything like that also. Now we're covering rank band of 1 to 10,000 we covered, 10 to 20,000 we covered, and now we covered 20,000 to 30,000. We'll cover beyond that also as we move along. If you want me to cover anything which is specific to Maharashtra, please do that. If you want to talk to us, register in the Google Sheet here, because we gave a link where you can actually register and we can talk to our counselors personally also. And I must thank the University of Bristol, which we partnered, because we want the students to take a very informed decision. So we're partnering with universities to help students make the right choices. And University of Bristol was established in 1876 in UK and is setting up a campus in Mumbai, which is offering some of these programs also. So please do look at them. And we must thank University of Bristol for partnering with us on this endeavor. Thank you so much. Namaste.